Hello everyone, today is our first lecture of the data science course and today we are going to talk about basics of coding in R or Python. So first we'll talk about using comments in R or Python. So why comment matters? Comment clarify your code, make it easier to read and understand, especially for large projects. They also help document your work, which is essential for debugging and collaborating with others. Now we'll talk about the syntax for comments in R and Python language. In Python, we use hashtag for single line comments while triple apostrophe in the opening and triple apostrophe in the closing for multi-line comments. In R, we use hashtag or double slash for single line comments and a hashtag at the beginning of each line for multi-line comments. Now we'll see the example for commenting in Python. So we'll write hashtag and then the comment line for single line comment, and for multi-line comment we'll use triple apostrophe. Then we'll write the comments in the multi-lines and then at the end line we'll use the triple apostrophe. Now we'll see the example for commenting in our language. So we'll write hashtag and then write the comment for single line comment, and for multi-line comment we'll use hashtag in each line and write the comments. Now we have executing commands in R or Python. So first we have interactive mode. So in interactive mode, we can type command directly into the console to get intermediate result. For example, we can use the Python console for typing the commands so we can directly run code there. Secondly, we have scripts in which we write the code in text editors to run the entire file at once for more complex programs. For example, we have Notepad in which we write the code on Notepad and we run it on the console. Thirdly, we have the notebooks, which are the user interactive coding environments like Jupyter or RStudio to mix text, code, and visualization, where we can write the code there only and run it there only. So it is very user friendly. Now we'll talk about the packages or how to import packages in R and Python. So first we'll how to find useful packages. So R and Python have robust ecosystems of community developed packages that add powerful functionality. So we have very useful packages like we have random in Python and random in R, etc. We have many packages which are useful. Second, we have to install packages. So how we can install? We can use install.packages in R and pip install in Python to download or set up new packages which can be useful to us. Third, how we can import our packages. So using libraries in R or import in Python to make a package functions and objects available in our code. Now we have getting data into R. So how to read from files? So R can read data from CSV, Excel, SQL, databases, and many other formats. Now we talk about web APIs. We can in web APIs we can fetch data directly from online APIs using packages like HTTR or request like HTTP, etc. Now we'll talk about web scraping. In scraping, we can extract data from HTML pages using packages like rwest or Beautiful Soap and etc. We have many useful web scraping tools. Now we'll talk about the databases. To connect, we have databases to connect to SQL, NoSQL, Oracle. We have many databases which are used to store the data, and we from there we can also import this data at the time we need it. Now, how to save an output in R or Python? So first we save to files. Right, in this we write data frames, plots, or other object to CSV, Excel, or other formats. like notebook, notepad, etc. Now we'll talk about how to export to databases, means how we will export the files from databases to us. So we'll push data and result directly to SQL, NoSQL or other database systems. So we can retrieve it later and use it in our other files. Now, how to upload to, we can upload to cloud also. So share your work by uploading files, notebooks, or dashboards to cloud perform platforms. So we can retrieve it at the time we need to use it. Now accessing records and variables. First by index. So we can access specific elements within data structures using numerical indices or names. Secondly, we by using subset extract a portion of data structure using logical conditions or ranges. Thirdly, we can access it by filter. So we can select record based on specific criteria using logical expressions. Thirdly, we can access it by manipulating it. We can modify data structures by adding, removing, or transforming elements. So that's all for the first video. Now we'll see more topics in the next lecture. Thank you.